Hi, Molly. How are you today?
Hi, Sam. I am good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. How was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park with my friends. We had a picnic and played some games. How about you?
That sounds like a lot of fun. I stayed at home and watched a movie.
Oh, which movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy called The Big Smile. It was hilarious.
I haven't seen that one yet. I'll have to check it out. By the way, how is your new job going?
It's going pretty well. I'm still learning, but my coworkers are really nice and helpful.
That's great to hear. I'm sure you'll do great. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thanks, Molly. That's very kind of you. So what are your plans for the rest of the week?
Well, I have a dentist appointment on Wednesday, and on Friday, I'm meeting some old friends for dinner. How about you?
I have a meeting with my boss on Saturday, but besides that, I am free. Maybe we can hang out sometime?
Sure, I'd love to. How about we grab a coffee after your meeting on Saturday?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Great, I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, it was nice chatting with you. I should get back to work now.
Likewise, Sam, have a great day.
You too, Molly. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye.